rise and dine. Waking up is easier when you know a nutrient-packed breakfast awaits. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to enjoy breakfast no matter what time of day it is, with my new, zesty Southwestern breakfast burritos. Let's get cooking! To start, whisk together 5 Hy-Vee large eggs in a bowl and set aside. Protein from eggs help repair muscle and keep your blood sugar in balance. With an additional bowl, combine 1/4 cup of Hy-Vee pico de gallo, a 1/4 cup of drained and rinsed Hy-Vee black beans, and 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped cilantro. Set that mixture aside for now. Then, drizzle some olive oil in a large skillet and bring it up to medium heat. Add 1 package of Hy-Vee Shortcuts diced tri peppers and cook until softened. Pour in the eggs on top and gently scramble until they're set. After that, warm up 4 Southwest-style egg white wraps in the microwave for about 10 to 20 seconds. Cut a slit halfway down the middle of each wrap and picture the wrap having 4 equal quadrants. Spoon the bell pepper and egg mixture into 1/4, the pico and bean mixture into another, and 1 mashed avocado in a third. For the 4th quarter, sprinkle 1 cup of shredded, reduced-fat Mexican blend cheese. If desired, top everything with black pepper. Lastly, fold clockwise until you form a final triangle. Repeat this with each wrap and serve up with a dollop of plain Greek yogurt and cilantro on top. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, visit our new Hy-Vee Health page on Facebook or Instagram today.